Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to move from Squarespace version 7.0 to version 7.1. Now this is quite easy to do, but there are a few steps involved, so let's talk about them. The first thing to note is that this is a permanent update. After completing the steps in this guide, you can't revert back to version 7.0. So take your time previewing and ensure that you're happy with your updated site before you click publish. Also note that your site might look different after updating. Not all version 7.0 pages and features exist in the version 7.1. You should also set time aside to preview the changes before you update your site. You can preview how it will appear in version 7.1 and make design changes. So let's talk about the steps to do the update. The first thing you need to do is ensure that your site is using a template in the Brine or Bedford family. You can switch either of those templates from 7.0 to 7.1. You next need to disable developer mode by opening the settings panel and then clicking developer tools, clicking developer mode and switching the toggle off. Just note that any changes that you've made on the developer platform will disappear. It's recommended that you save your site files and your developer platform code locally to your computer before you disable the developer mode. It's also recommended to duplicate your version 7.0 site in case you want a visual reference of your original design. Also be aware that cover pages and album pages aren't supported in version 7.1, so they will disappear after the update. So next we want to start the process. To do this, in the home menu, click Website and then click Design. And then click Update to version 7.1. If the option to update doesn't appear, this means that you're using an unsupported template or developer mode is still active. Click Get Started and read through the information provided about the update. Click Preview Site in 7.1 to start your preview. While previewing, you can add content and make style changes to your website. All other site functions are disabled until you publish or end the preview. To cancel the preview and discard your changes, click Cancel and then Cancel Update. To make most style changes in version 7.1, you'll use site styles rather than specific template styles. When you're happy with everything, it's time to update your site, so you can click Publish Update. Just remember that this cannot be undone. Once you've clicked Publish, you'll want to check any custom CSS, as this may be commented out after the update. To add it back in, remove the comment tags in the CSS editor. To do this, open the design panel and click Custom CSS. If comment tags display, remove them and then click Save. You're now ready to start using version 7.1 and try out all of the new features that come with it, including the page sections, fluid engine, auto layouts, and much more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.